and then we times it times our whole number, so it goes in a C shape, a backward C shape. We do 8 times 3 plus 5. So denominator times whole number plus numerator. So what is 8 times 3, Peter?
8 times 3 is 21.
24.
24.
And
Yeah,
then what is 24 plus 5?
24 plus 5 is 29.
So the numerator is 29, and then we take our denominator that we have and we just put it over 8.
Yeah.
Okay, so now that you know that, you're going to do this next one, which we're going to go down because these are all mixed numbers. So 7.5. Following what we did here, what would be your first step?
You would do 7 times 1.
So denominator times whole number.
7, 2 times 7.
Yes. What is 2 times 7?
14.
And then plus 1.
14 is, 15.
Yes. And then we put the whole thing over the denominator, which is 2. Okay. The next one is 9 and 2/3. So following that C shape backwards, what is your first step?
3 times 9, which is 9 times 2 is 18.
27. 9 times 3 is 27.
Plus 2 is 29.
Yep. And then we put it over what number?
And then we put it over, put it under?
So that's our numerator. What is our denominator for this problem?
Our denominator is 3.
Yeah. So 29 over 3.
Yeah.
Okay. The next one is a little harder. So what I recommend is to break this 12 into 2 numbers. We're going to do 12 times 5. So what you can do is you can break this 12 into a 10 times 5 and also a 2 times 5.
Did I do 6 times 5 and then?
You can and then double it.
30 is 60, yeah?
Yeah, either way. Okay, so now we have 60 and then we have to add the 1 in there. So 60 plus 1.
Which is 61.
And then over what number?
6 is over 12.
Yeah. Okay, did you write all of that down?
No, not yet.
Okay, tell me when you are done. I'm just going to do an example of this so that the video doesn't get long. So we take our denominator and we put it right here, and then we put our numerator on the outside of the division sign. Then we do, how many times does 3 go into 20 or below? So 3 times what equals 20 or below? So I'm going to start with 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is 15, but I think I can fit another one in there, so I'm going to check what is 3 times 6. It is 18. So this is a better number to use. If I use 3 times 7, that's 21, and that is too big. So 3 times 6 is 18. So I put my 18 down here, and then I do 20 minus 18 is 2. So my answer is 6 remainder 2. This whole number right here becomes our whole number here. The remainder becomes our numerator, and our denominator stays the same. And then we ask ourselves, is this as small as it can go? Yes, because 2 and 3 cannot be divided by any number. Does that make sense to you?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to stop the video and we're going to do the